So yeah, let's tackle these models. Copywriting technique, first one, the foundation speaking the language. Before any technique, let's get this right. Foundation speaking the language, this is again, is not a technique, is the foundation under every technique. Before you write a single word of copy, you need to sound like your avatars. You cannot understand how much I always emphasize that. Like the whole idea of doing avatar research, calling your customer, the survey, like all the research that's getting the data about like the raw code of the avatar is our ability to be speaking like they speak. That's already gonna make you win so big. You're gonna speak their word, you're gonna feel this is understand as. If they are 58 and you write like a 24-year-old TikToker, they will scroll. If they are stressed mom and you write like a copyright bridge, they will scroll. If they are in pain and you write like everything is fine, they will scroll. Voice match equal trust. Mismatch, this isn't for me, The only way to do this is actually understand your avatar. So how to find their voice? Go back to your avatar deep dive file. Look for when I see avatar deep dive file for new peoples. That's the file that we created on the first masterclass when we did the research through all those platforms, so we can have as much data, as much codes about our avatar, so we can understand what is like the average things of the scene, what is like the most common things of how they say things. So first, vocabulary. What word do they use? Knee pain 55 plus. They say my knee are short. Bonobon can do what I used to. They don't say joint optimization, mobility enhancement, articular health. They don't say this word. You want to say like the word that they say it, the way that they say it. Thin acne mom, she say her face is broken out. Nothing works. I hate saying her like this. She don't say subconscious dysfunctions, acne vulgaris, dermatological interventions. They don't say corroborate word. Sentence length. You want to say like how do they write, speak? Educational, professional, 40s, longer, more complex sentences. Teenager, short, punchy, maybe not even full sentence. Seniors, 65 plus, clear, straightforward, no jargon. Stress mom, quick to the point, she doesn't have time for fluff. So you're gonna need to understand also like on the Reddit posts, like on the comments of the videos and the TikTok and stuff, how they explain things, how much word they using, how length of them, and are they using any specific word, like the vocabulary, the language banking, like lol or stuff like that, or they are professionals, how they describe in the problems. That's all of that's like really matter for you, not for you to create the ads, and for them when they're watching the ads to say, this person, this motherfucker is me. He understands me. He understands what I'm going through. It's not some pushing some fugazi fuguzi thing on me that wants me to believe it, but he's just saying how I describe my word. So imagine it, like I always mention it. Imagine you have a pain yourself, Then somebody you talk with him and he described to you like the exact pain. Then you get this motherfuckers, you have the same pain as me, like this is the same issue. Then you feel even excited. This person get it, like oh, he's getting actually what I'm going through, So if he has some suggestion for me, I'm more going to accept it because why? He understands me. He understands what I'm going through exactly. Formality levels, like how formal they are with their expressions and stuff. Menopause 45, 60, casual but respectful. It's not clinic, not too young. Let's be honest, menopause is kicking your ass. They can say that. They're not gonna say menopause symptoms may cause discomfort. Too clinicals. Girls, the hot flashes are not it. This is too young for them. They don't speak like girls, young girls, okay? PCOS, hair loss, triggers. And the other side, they can say more casual, relatables, internet native. You are 26 and you can see your scalp. What the fuck? Hair thinning affects many young men too distance. That's too old for them, or too formality for them, So when you're gonna have this, also the script. This is a lot of people that say like the ability of you, like not the ability, sorry, like let me structure what I'm about to say. A lot of people just say content creators cannot actually act on script because they give them scripts not based on how they're supposed to talk as those avatars. They say like just formality things, then the script doesn't hit. That's when they use authentic things, they hit because it's almost like a match with their avatars. But if you are able to actually get how your avatar talks, how long they are, which formality you use, which word you're using to describe things, then we are gonna show other techniques like the bucket bridge, like to use like to link between sentences. You're gonna be able to do good scripting. That's even shittiest content creators, not shittiest, but even like mid content creators, he can act on it and it's gonna feel authentic because it doesn't seem like some corporate Because like a lot of you use AI, so they're gonna be giving you like AI words, then you're gonna give it to the content creator, and it's gonna be like mismatch with the avatar's language. That's when the avatars, like your potential customers watching your ad, and say, "Ah, this is not me. This is not relatable." 4. Emotional temperatures. Match their emotional states. In pain, frustrated, don't be cheaper, be emphatic. Hopeful, aspirational, don't be heavy, be optimistic. Skeptical, as burned before, don't be silly, be honest. Voice matching examples: teen acne, writing to mom, again because mom's the one that's buying. Wrong voice, acne treatment solution for adolescent skin concern. Our dermatologist formulated products addressing skin issues with clinically proven ingredient. This is going to be a part where we're going to be explaining to how the product's working on the product page, but on the ad itself, we want to use like the mother is the one that's doing the ad for us. Another mother is talking about her experience with her son. You have what should her confidence disappear? Every morning she stares at the mirrors, then looks away. She is 15, she could be worried about homework, not hiding from cameras. You try to help, nothing work. This is the difference. Right voice speaks like a mom, like a mom thinks. Emotional, not clinical. Address her pain, watching her daughter suffers. DPA 5570, wrong voice, revolutionary joint support technology utilizing advanced biological compound for optimal cardiac regeneration and inflammatory response modulations. That's wrong voice. That's too technical. This is part of it. This is part when you explain like root cause, like a section of the root cause that's not explained by same person as the voice. It's like just a part on a landing page, on a product page, not the same person voice. The same person voice is not gonna be using this word. What's he gonna be using instead? Remember, you could just get up. You could just get up. No planning, no waiting, no grabbing the arms. Just stand up and go. You used to take that for granted. You would give anything to have it back. You can. Right voice, simple, clear language, reference the real experience, no jargon, no hype. PCOS, hair loss, late 20s, wrong voice. Hair restoration solution for female experience androgenic alopecia secondary to polycystic ovarian syndromes, PCOS. Right voice, you are 27, you can see your scalp through your part. You had tried biotin, you had tried expensive shampoo, you have tried just not thinking about it. Nothing works. And every time you wash your hair, more of it goes down the drain. You're not crazy, you're not alone, and this is fixables. The right voice, casual, relatables, acknowledge what she tried, validate her frustration. We're gonna give you also like AI prompt that you can run through what is called your deep dive file, and gonna give you what type of language you should be using for your customers. So that's it for the video. It's just like to again emphasize how much is important to understand your avatar and understand how they're talking, how they're speaking, how they're saying things, and how they experience, like we say, express things. So see you in the next video, guys.